Afternoon guys, afternoon. We're back at CLARS. So what we've done is we've done the second septic tank. Where are we? All the dogs are being decanted. So we've done the, so let me show you what it was. So here was just an open. Here was just an open sewer, like this one. In fact, it's there at the back, which we were going to fill in. And here it is here. And it just goes into the field at the back, which is no good because it gives off too much smell. Hello? Hello there. Hello there. Hey? Yeah, so what happens is it's an open sewer and it just goes into the back, so which is no good. So what we've done is we've put in the second septic tank for the girls here. So this will be fully concreted, come down to a slope, all the crap will go into the pipe. When they're cleaning out, the girls will take the top of the caps off, and then once they've cleaned out, they put the caps back on to keep the smells inside. So all falls, going down, down, down to the septic tank. And once it goes in the septic tank, it goes through the chambers, then it comes back to here. Then it falls down there. Let's go back round. Then we're going to have a mini culvert here to stop any crap going in. Then we're going to have a pipe lower, 4 inches lower than this one, which will go out into the field. There'll be holes in it to allow the irrigation of the water to come out. So there you go. So very soon these beautiful girls will have a decent sleeping area. Eh? Won't you? Won't you? Why are you so angry? So there you go. So the kennels are getting extended. We're extending the kennels. The front of the kennels will be here, obviously. The backs will be higher, so that the dogs can sleep off the ground. The drain at the back will be covered, so it'll be a huge difference for the dogs. Huge difference. There you go. So they've got more space now. They've got a lot more space. So they can do their eating in toilet at the front, and their sleeping's going to be at the back. So there you go. Okay guys, catch you later. Stay safe, take care. So back at CLARS, the kennel extension is coming on well. First section is nearly complete. Plenty of space in there for the dogs now.